Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is Hindi calligraphy font pack for Indian friends. But these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, buy now for lifetime. And here is my Facebook page. Last is my Telegram channel. Join me on Telegram channel. I will provide every notification of video or data. Okay. So here is TTF and OTF file you can install and write anything, but I don't know about Hindi language, so just install now or preview here and here. Okay, and last is semi bold preview, and here is TB and cannot bold. Okay, so you can install in phone or Windows, but these are protected password in this app. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and take care. Allah Hafiz.